come to bring your African news. Today we're going straight to Nigeria. You already know. You know what it is. If it is not good, it is worse. My name is Boss. My people, I'm not going to tell you when I say Begin no day, but the one where big pass Begin is full ground. As I talk to you, so you get somebody who I won't make una just meet, one on one fine girl. If you see the girl, you go base. In fact, you go local. If you see the girl too fine. The girl like this person. When I see this woman now, so as you see this woman, what you see, we talk say that go take get money. Money where that go take get, they suck where this woman money there. The woman get money, so the woman don't know what she want take money they do. She know even, in fact, make I just explain to you the kind of money where this woman get. The kind of money where you see where this woman get, be say, in fact, you don't give Amadio her food, give her food self. Amadio her just, don't go test, carrying children, everybody, go church, go give thanksgiving. Because of this woman generosity, we they talk about generosity. Me too. I don't say I did generous, I be generous. No, I not be generous. That English, generous, yeah. The woman, this woman where you see the generosity where the warrior, man. In fact, he did too much. He passed. Make I not talk. This woman where they see so where you they see here. This woman where you they see. This woman wicked though. He wicked past devil. Devil self here waiting he do. Devil shall chineke. That's so this life day. Now waiting this woman do. This woman get mind. You know what thing that they call shovel? That kind of one where those slave queen that they use. When they take the go like we don't make money now. You know now we don't make money. Ask money know me. You understand? Where those slave queen they take they go for service and fall, go to dig gold. That place where they take they go share a room, go to dig gold. And that kind of shovel where this woman get mind buy for our women them. He buy shovel for women. Make una they look. Just look this kind of fine girl now. This kind of fine girl where this woman get mind buy shovel for. Go buy that trempan, that one. Where we take the eat rice that time when we dey small, where would they do happy birthday to you? You know they say that kind of happy birthday, you know they complete. You gonna do them. Piggy maybe don't cry. They don't give them a cam. Or rice, so that children go come. That rice will be the last one. No, you just chop on like that. That kind of trim pan. Now I go buy for them. May they take the sub medicine. What insolence! This is what we call metromagical sentimental innuendo added to what they are demonstrandum. Finito. Now be the crime where this woman commit. Now be waiting this woman do. So make I ask you now. If somebody where they like this, where everybody they look, should do this kind of thing, what will other people do? Nigeria, which way? Why you go get mind, get that kind of mind, get mind, go carry, trimpan, shovel, go give women them, say make them go the submersion. For it now, are women them. Are women them where we say we supposed to meet them at home when we don't work finish, come back. Your woman will prepare food for you. After you eat, you'll be happy. And then this woman say make them go the submersion. You know the one where verse me pass be say this same woman don't go say it empower youth because this one now ladies, because this is not ladies and gentlemen, this ladies empowerment. Hey, he go buy wheelbarrow, go they say they empower youth. Now still the same people where they close Okada, they close Keke, they do this one, they do this one. Later, when I go talk say youths them, say they might be thief them. You see that? You see? Now be this kind. So I tell una, me government of Nigeria still think say average people they still be human beings. that you're in government. It's just an opportunity. Not because that you're better than others. Not because you're still good. But just that, say, God just choose you, put you for that place. Or maybe say, one power or the other, choose you, you did that place. Or some agreement choose you, you did that place. So make we understand them. Say people, where that papa no be governor, president, this one. Say they be human beings. Make you still get human feelings. Make you still think. Say these people, they be human beings. Create jobs, companies. Which is, you state governments can also do it. Invite other companies. Bring everything on a low price for them. Like maybe giving them light. Because if companies see light now, they will jump in. You don't mean say federal government go put light before state government go put light. Oh. Go for other obodo Igbo. Most of the state governments, they independent. Because me, I know say I don't travel well, I don't go places. Even self, me and Trump, we don't drink tea self. Sometimes he still they call me for phone, no, but because say I don't get time, you know, I go still, you know, tell us I be original man, black man, you know. So that is it. You way they do this thing, what your mind give you? State government, make we not talk federal government. Because waiting cause people they fight for Biafra. I go later explain why those guys diverse, which you need to hear. So I say bless to you. You know what it is. If it is not good, it is worse. My name is Boss. See you next Friday.